guys, and welcome back to my Beauty Baby channel. I hope you guys are having a good day or good night wherever you are. So, I want to address something right quick. The lighting. I got a new phone, and I got a new phone. I got my camera light, not my camera light, but my little stand. It has a light on it, and it's working. And I got a new phone for Christmas. I got the iPhone 13 Pro. So my videos are going to be more clear. I know my past videos, they haven't been as clear. And the reason being because I was recording on my old phone. And I actually took a look at my old videos on my old phone. And you couldn't really, hear that well and everything like that. Hold on, y'all. I need to take a drink of my Starbucks. I went to Starbucks today. And if you guys want to know what that drink is, this is the strawberry acai drink. But yeah, so I just want to let you guys know my videos are going to be more clear now, and they're not going to, the sound isn't going to be muffled or anything like that. So yeah, I just want to get that out the way. But yeah, I want to say, hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Beauty Baby family. We do some fun stuff over here. We do reviews, we go on trips, we review different things. So if you guys are into that, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you like, and comment, and share this video, and it will really help my channel out a lot. And I also want to say, guys, I noticed that I had some new subscribers, so I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing. It really means a lot to me, and it really helps my channel out. And so therefore YouTube can push out my videos more and more and more, and then I can show you guys more stuff. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, guys, so today I want to show you guys a new bag I got. It's a crossbody bag. It's not like a backpack bag like I usually get. By the way, don't mind this area. This is just where I keep all my bags, my designer bags. And then I actually need to move this right here. And then on the bottom, I keep my designer on the bottom. Excuse me, I can't talk. On the bottom, I keep my Launchfly bag. Like, if you guys seen my last video, I showed you guys my new Rugrats bag. Can you guys see that clearly? I'm still trying to get used to like my new phone and the camera, but I showed you. Oh yeah, you can see that. You can see that real clearly. So if you guys haven't seen my new video, I talked about my new Rugrats bag. And then I also, hold on. And then my Beauty and the Beast bag is all the way over here. Let me see if I can do it. Let me see if I can do it. Lean with it, rock with it. I'm trying to get this bag. Okay. So, and I also talked about my new Beauty and the Beast bag. So if you guys are interested of knowing what I said about those bags and stuff, go check out that video, then come back to here. And then this is my Beauty and the Beast bag. This is how the front looks. Y'all, it's so beautiful. And then this is how the back looks. So if you guys like I said, if you guys wanted to know about those two bags, the Rugrats bag and the Belle bag, go ahead and click that video, then come back to this video. So today, guys, I want to focus on Danielle Nicole. Now, this is my first Danielle Nicole bag. If you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you probably seen it. If you haven't seen, if you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, please make sure you do. If you want to see like more exclusive videos and stuff like that, because I post some shorts on YouTube, but I mostly like to save those for short videos for TikTok and Instagram Reels. So yeah, but I want to show you guys my first Danielle Nicole bag. This is the bag. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look. this is the bag. It is super, super cute. Now, this is my first Danielle Nicole bag I ever got. And I really, really like it. It's super, super cute. I love how her dress goes all the way down. It's super, super cute. It's super beautiful. And then this is how the back of the bag looks. It doesn't really have anything on the back of the bag, but I still want to show you guys. And then as you can see right here, it has Danielle Nicole. And then on the front, it has Tiana's, and then it has a little frog right here. So I just want to show you guys that. And another thing that I really like about this bag is I love the chains. I'm a sucker for like chain straps on the bag. So I really, really love this bag. It's really, really cute. I will say, the only thing I don't like about this bag, I wish Danielle Nicole would have just made the bag, like, not the bag, would have just made the chains this color. But I understand why she put gold, because up here is gold and, you know, stuff like that. But it just goes around your body. Here's the straps. You can adjust straps if you need to. So you just wear it. Hold on, y'all. You just wear it like this, and it just goes across your body, and then you have it like this. It's super, super cute. This bag was $90. I believe it's still on the website. So if you guys want to go get this bag, you can. I will leave a link down below. Or you can just type in Danielle Nicole, and it'll pop up. And this bag is called, let me think. This bag is called the Evening Star Frappuccino bag. Something like that. Don't get me wrong, but it's something like that. And I just want to show you guys, this bag is just super, super beautiful. I mean, you have the little, like, they're not diamonds, but, you know, you have this little, I don't know what it's called. But it's really, really cute. And then you have her dress just flowing, and this is very, very beautiful. And this is the top of the bag. Like, if you can, I'm gonna try to get a closer look. I'm trying to, you know, get up closer. You guys can see it has little like sparkles right here. Okay, yes, I'm still getting used to my camera. I'm still getting used to my iPhone camera, so bear with me, guys. But if you guys can see, it kind of has that little glitter, like, shining thing. And it's super, super cute. Like I said, I really, really like this bag. And then this is how you open the bag. You just kind of, like, pop it open. And then you can put your stuff in here. Now, I will say this bag is small, so you can't really fit a lot in here. But you can fit, like, small items in here. And you guys know that every time I get a new bag, I always do a what's in my bag. So you guys can see what you can put in here and what you can't put in here. But this is just how the bag looks. And then to close it, you have this little thing right here. You have that little thing right here. And then on the top, you have this right here. And then you just close it. And then, boom, there you go. And you can put, like, your small items in there. Like I said, I will be doing a what's in my bag. So, I will put some stuff in here so you guys can see how much the bag can actually hold. So I really, really like this bag. I have nothing negative to say about this bag. It's just really, really pretty. And I wore my green outfit today so it can match. I know this bag is more of a lighter green than my shirt, but that's okay. That is okay. And then on the front, it has like this like glittery like type, I want to say like rubbery type, and it's really, really like smooth. But this bag is just very, very, very beautiful. Like I said, I love how her dress just flows, and I love the little straw and Tiana is on the top of the bag. It's really, really cute. Okay, so I do have a story time about this bag. And I'll put pictures into. So actually, this is a replacement bag. The reason it's a replacement bag because I got this bag and it wasn't serving. And you guys will see when I put the pictures on. So when I first got before I got a replacement bag, you see how Tiana is standing up like straight. So when I got my first bag that I purchased before the replacement bag, it was kind of like this. And it was sewed down. And then also the back was kind of standing up like this. And it wasn't glued down. I don't know what happened during the shipping process. I don't know if somebody laid a big box on it and kind of put a dent into the bag. I don't know what happened to it, but I had to get a replacement bag, and I actually went on Danielle Nicole actual Instagram, and I texted her. I didn't think she was going to text me back, but she actually did, and, you know, she gave me the information to go get my bag. There was no problem with me getting a replacement bag or anything like that. She was so sweet, so nice about it. She said, you know, no problem. You know, you talk to so-and-so, and, you know, they will get you a new bag. And here it is. Here it is. This is my replacement bag, and I really, really like the bag. I just hate that it didn't come like this before, but it's okay because the bag is really cute. I didn't want to get my money back because I saw this bag and I was like, I really, really want it because I have a princess collection going on. So if you guys go on TikTok, you will see my Princess and the Frog collection. So I have 2 Princess and the Frog backpacks, and then this is my first Princess and the Frog crossbody. So I just want to show you guys that. I'm gonna put that right here and get a drink of my Starbucks while I go get my bags. It's so good. Okay, so this is my second Princess in a Frog bag. Now my mom, she gave me this bag for Christmas. It's super, super cute. And then on the back, this is how the bag looks. Super, super cute. And I think my wallet is on my bed. But that's my second Princess in a Frog bag. And then this is my first Princess in the Frog bag. Hold on, let me fix this right quick. This is my first Princess in a Frog bag. It's super, super cute. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so this is my first Princess in a Frog bag. As you can see, you have Princess Tiana kissing the frog. It's very, very beautiful. And then this is how it looks on the back. It just has the frog. Can you guys see the frog? Okay, yeah. And yeah, so I have like a little princess theme going on right now. And then I have my Princess and the Frog crossbody right here. And then I'm kind of moving on from Princess and the Frog because I already have a total of 3 bags. So let me lean with it, rock with it, so I can get this bell bag. Oh, it fell on the floor. So this is my I'm moving on to like a different princess now. So this is my bell bag. So this is a second princess bag that I got. So I'm just kind of moving along with different princesses. And you guys let me know in the comments which one is your favorite Disney princess. Before Princess and the Frog, I feel like I said that wrong. I feel like I said that wrong. Before Princess and the Frog came along, Belle was my favorite princess. I always wanted her library. Oh my goodness. I love, like, when I watch Beauty and the Beast, I love the library scene. Mwah. Chef's kiss. And then you have, y'all gotta go watch my video. I ain't showing y'all. Y'all gotta go watch my video. I did a video on the Rugrats bag. I did a video on the Rugrats bag and the Bell bag. Y'all gotta go watch it. I can't show y'all. Y'all gotta go watch it. I promise you, it's worth your while. It's worth the wow. I think that's how you say it. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I have for you. I do want to say I will be coming out. I mean, not coming out. Well, I will be making more videos. There'll be more videos coming out. I do have 2 more bags that are coming, and those are Hot Topic bags. I have a Sailor Moon bag because I love Sailor Moon. And then I also have a Hello Kitty bag. And Loungefly is supposed to be coming out with 2 more bags that I like. I pre-ordered, they have an ET bag. So I pre-ordered ET bag and it glows in the dark. Cool, right? Okay. I have a Loungefly has a Care Bear bag. So I will be getting that bag also. I think I did a video on all of these bags that I have, like my designer bags, but just comment down below if you guys want to see that, because I'm not sure if I did a video on my designer bags, but just comment down below if you guys want to see it. But yeah, I mean, that's it, and this is my first Danielle Nicole bag. It's very, very beautiful. I love it. I will be doing a what's in my bag. This bag is just very, very beautiful. Like, it's super, it's just super cute. And this bag could be for anybody. Excuse me. So, I just really, really, love this bag. And, Danielle Nicole did a great job. And this is how the bottom looks. It's like a, gold kind of shimmer, color. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, if you guys want to see my designer bags collection, let me know. And if you guys, I'm going to do a update. I'm trying to wait till all my Loungefly bags come in, but I'm probably most likely going to do an updated Loungefly collection. Because I remember I did a Loungefly collection, and the only bags that I showed was my Villains bag, my Stitch bag, and my Bambi bag. So I have like 5 or 6 more bags now. So yeah, I'll definitely be doing an updated Loungefly collection. I don't know if I'm gonna wait until I get all my bags, because I ordered my 2 bags that I got from Hot Topic is coming in February, and that's really not that far, like, you know. So I think they're supposed to be coming the 12th, February the 12th. And my Sailor Moon one is supposed to be coming like the 14th. So I don't know if I'm going to do a updated Loungefly video now or just wait until those bags come in, my Loungefly bag come in. But I'll probably do it now because I don't want to wait for it, and I'll probably just do a separate video on when those bags come. But yeah, guys, so this is how it looks, and I just want to give you guys like a little up close look before I go. Isn't she so beautiful? So cute. I can't get over how her dress just comes down. It's so pretty. It has a little straw. You can like drink out of it. Not really, but yeah. And I posted pictures on Instagram if you guys want to see that. I'm still trying to work on the camera with my iPhone, y'all. So please bear with me. And here's the chain. And then here's the back of the bag. Okay, guys, so with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.